Sorry, it's bland now, isn't it, boy?
The biker was trying to be cool at the stoplight. Well, moments later, he gets a flat. It couldn't have happened to a more deserving biker.
Blatantly, they're just saying it. They're saying women are being taken and men are being taken for their labor. I don't know how they could be more clear.
Yeah, that's powerful.
I'm no cop or investigator, but it seems like the SUV was making an illegal pass on the shoulder. I would take an educated guess that the police and insurance would find the SUV at fault with this footage. The vehicle in the left lane at the start of the video also cuts over at the last possible second. Did their brain just freeze? I've honestly never seen anything like this before. The camera caught this on CCTV of the driver totaling the camera's car. According to him, police arrived and told the driver to leave a note and leave. I'm not sure about the certain legalities of New York City and all that. It's always crazy to see people just kind of go for it on an unprotected turn like that. Thankfully, no one was reportedly hurt. There was a bend in the road, full speed, and no attempt at braking until after they hit the camera. Yeah, I think a distraction would be a good guess. Unfortunately, this was a hit and run as well. Wow, this driver was just itching to cut in traffic and paid a steep price for it. What a buffoon. The silver BMW cuts in front of the camera to take an exit at the last minute and crashes into the crash cushion at full speed without even braking.
I liked it that much. Definitely not my fave, but it's pretty good. Oh man, holy smokes, you check it out, look at that motherfucker.
It looks like the white crossover driver barreled across oncoming traffic blindly, resulting in this crazy crash. To me, it looks like this van driver woke up on the wrong side of the bed that morning. Geez Louise, he was just itching to get in some sort of altercation. The camera was in a crash, and the other driver got out and claimed that he had a green light. The camera said, "I have a dash cam," to which he immediately kept quiet. While taking a relative to a hospital, this idiot decided to road rage with the camera. The camera didn't engage, laughed the whole way, and continued with his day. Yes, the camera could have slowed down at the merge, but the idiot didn't need to escalate. The red truck driver runs a red light thinking it was green, and the red truck did stop and talk to the driver he ran into. The camera checked on the driver after the crash, and thankfully they were okay.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, God.
This is a great reason as to why I always advise against cut-throughs. Literally, it's not worth it. It's hard to have a clear visual on what's oncoming. Once the light turned green, the distracted driver behind the camera started to move forward and rear-ends the trailer hard, causing the truck to bounce a little.
Look at this guy.
The white car driver is completely oblivious. She turns into oncoming traffic on a one-way street. What's with it with entitled people behind the wheel nowadays? It looks like it's becoming more and more of a problem. No contact was made other than the black car's lower front bumper on the curb, but that's about it. Traffic starts to slow and the Honda driver doesn't want to brake and can't be bothered to check their mirrors, causing the truck to lock the brakes and scrape the wall. Hopefully, dashcam footage will help the victim. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.